Are buzzing noises ruining your LED strip experience? Step 1. If you are using a dimmer switch, connect the driver directly to the power source. If the humming sound is resolved, it is a possible compatibility issue with the switch and driver. Step 2. Check the load of the LED strips. The load of the lights should not be over 80% to avoid overworking the driver. Step 3. Check the wiring. It should be secured, no loose connections, and with proper grounding to avoid any vibrations leading to noticeable sounds. Tip 1. Use electronic drivers that produce less noticeable sound due to their make. This still depends on your project needs and your preference. Tip 2. Try adding rubber gaskets, and increasing ventilation may help reduce the buzzing noise. If you need further assistance, reach out to our expert team at customerservice@hitlights.com or give us a call at 1-855-768-4135. We're here to help you every step of the way.